In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine complex audiences in Mailchimp. Navigating Mailchimp to manage your audiences efficiently can seem daunting at first, but fear not, I'll guide you through it step by step. The first thing you need to do is export your existing audiences. If you're working with multiple audiences, you'll want to consolidate them into one. Start by heading over to Audience and then All Contacts. Select your audience of choice, click on the Manage Audience dropdown, and choose Export Audience. Mailchimp will then email you a zip file. Download this file and extract the CSV for your records. Remember, you'll be repeating this process for each audience you plan to merge. Next, you'll want to create or choose your primary audience. This will be your main list, often the one containing the most subscribers. Should you need to create a new primary list, navigate to Audience and then Audience Dashboard. Click on Manage Audience, then View Audiences followed by Create Audience. You'll need to fill out some details, your default from name, the email address, business details for the footer, and an audience name, something that identifies it as the master list, like main master list. Now let's import your contacts into this main audience. Go to your primary audience and click Add Contacts and then Import Contacts. Choose the Upload File setting and continue to upload your CSV file. Be mindful to match the columns accurately, such as email, first name, and last name. Under the Tag All Imported Contacts option, apply a tag that helps you track where these contacts came from. This could be something like old newsletter, course students, or clients. This tagging system will keep your audience organized by their origin. Repeat this import process for each audience you wish to merge, assigning a unique tag each time. From here, you can deploy tags, groups, and segments to enhance your targeting. Tags are perfect for man-made labels like webinar attendee or VIP customer. Groups work best for subscribers' self-selection, such as interests like marketing tips or tech news, and segments allow you to filter based on behavior or specific data points. You can set up a nuanced audience by combining these tools. For instance, create a segment targeting contacts who are tagged clients, who have opened at least 2 emails in the last 30 days and are located in the Philippines. To set up such segments, go to Audience, All Contacts, then New Segment. Click Add Filter and choose conditions that fit your criteria, preview your segment, and save it. Once set, Mailchimp allows you to automate processes based on these tags or segments. Set up automations like a welcome series for a new customer tag or reminders for an abandoned cart tag. You can find these options under Automations and Customer Journeys to create your automation flows. After merging your audiences, consider cleaning up by deleting or archiving old audiences. Navigate to Audience, then View Audiences, and select your old lists to archive or delete. This cleanup will mitigate charges for duplicates. Lastly, check the health of your merged audience. Navigate to your audience dashboard to view contact stats and clear out any duplicates or unsubscribed emails. It's also wise to run a preview test email to ensure all personalization features, such as first names, function correctly. By following these steps, you'll have a streamlined and efficient audience set up in Mailchimp, ready to bolster your engagement strategy.